Welcome to the product demonstration of Smart Building Management System. In this product we are using two relays. Here we can see one is for water pump and another is for bulb, and also using track PCB and pot, Arduino Nano board, buzzer board and fire sensor, and also using ultrasonic sensor for the water measurement, and also using LCD display. So we are providing the power supply through this power cable. Here we can say power cable. It will take 230 volts of AC supply. It will given to this bridge rectifier. So bridge rectifier will convert 5 volts of DC. That 5 volts of DC will be given to this track PCB. So the main aim of this track PCB is to give the equal power to the all components like LCD display, relay and fire sensor relays. So these the water pump and the bulb will be works on the AC mode, AC current. So that's why we are giving parallel supply to this bulb and this motor also, and also giving seriously connection to this relays. So it will act like a switches. Now I am giving the power supply. So if I on the power supply, if distance become the 0, it will be in on position. This motor will be on position. If the water level more than 60 or 70, then it will be off. So here we can see the display, and also here we can see the voltage values and water level also. So here we can see the bulb. If the voltage is less than 200, then this bulb will be not glow. If it is more than 200, it will be glow. If it is more than 240, then automatically cut off. So here we can see. So if current will be increased more than 240, then this bulb will be cut off automatically. In this way, this auto cut off function will be works. And also here we can see the ultrasonic sensor. If you want to measure the water level, so here we can observe the water pump noise also. So we need to do slowly. So here we can see the percentage also, water level percentage. So now it is 50%, 60%, 67%. So now it is more than 70, then we can see this water pump motor will be get switched off automatically. So if I take this water into this one, so now it is 0%. Again it will be on position, and the light indication we can see. So if relay is on, so light will be glow. If relay will be off, then light will be off. In this way this product will be works. And also forgot to say one thing: if any fire will be detected by this fire sensor, it will be give a buzzer alert. So nearby in this system, if any fire will be detected, then it will give a fire alert through this buzzer board. In this way this product will be works. Thanks for watching.